Hey there, welcome back to another video. And today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a complete project management system using PHP. And we are going to use here a free AI. And you don't have to pay for this, and you don't need to do any coding also. So we need to follow some steps. So don't skip the video. Follow every single step. And at first, you have to install JAMPP in your PC and then VS Code. Why you need these two things? Because VS Code is a code editor where we are going to use GitHub Copilot, and the free AI we are going to use is GitHub Copilot. So we need a code editor for this. So we are going to use VS Code. And why we need them? Because XAMPP will provide us local host server and at the same time database server, that is MySQL database server. So why we need a server? Because as it is a PHP project, so PHP is server side is clicking on this, so we need a server for this. So we're going to use XAMPP. So let's go to the browser and just type XAMPP, and then you will find apachefriends.org. Go with this, and you can actually copy to the download page. I can see, and then you have to go for XAMPP for Windows. And if you are from different operating system, just go there and download the latest version and install it like some other application. This is really simple. Just download it and then install it. And then when you install it in your PC, then you will find a folder called XAMPP. Yet I have installed it in C drive. So I will find a folder called XAMPP there. Then go inside the folder and then go inside the folder. And you can see I have bunch of different folders. It means these are actually projects. So if you create a new folder, then the folder will be worked as a project, okay? Inside stdoc. So at first we have to create a folder. So the folder name will be, let's say, -al-php. So this is our project. Now what I have to do, we have to actually add this project inside a code. So let's go to the code editor, and there is VS Code. And from here, you can add any folder or project you actually want to add. So we are going to add this one, okay? So just drag and drop. Don't save. Here we go. We got it. So we have added the project or folder successfully, right? In the right side, here you'll find that, but initially you will not find this because you haven't actually add GitHub Copilot new code editor, right? So what you have to do, you have to go for the extension here, the left side, and then from here you have to search GitHub Copilot. Then you will find this one. So just install it in your PC or inside code editor. That's it. So I already installed it here. You can see. Just install it and then go for the file explorer once again. And here you will find a search option at the top of the code editor. Here you can see. And next to the search option, here you will find toggle tab. If I over here, you will find toggle tab. Okay. So click here this arrow sign, down arrow sign, and click here open tab. In the right side, you will find text box. Here you can see chat area, right? So this is from the GitHub Copilot. So now in the left side here you will find account option, or you can see account sign. Click here and then log into your GitHub account. Yes. Now you will not see this chat option until you add a project. Okay. Yeah. So follow every single step I have shown you. So now what I have to do, you have to add here a prompt. Okay. You have to add here a prompt and then you have to hit enter to execute the prompt. Okay. So to generate a prompt, we are going to use any chatbot like ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other chatbot. So let's go to the browser, and here, if I go to the chatgpt.com, I can see I have already generate a prompt. So basically, I have given here information that I did a project management tool using AI for free in PHP. This is my video title. So I need a prompt to generate this using GitHub Copilot. And this is a PHP project. We are going to use XAMPP for localhost server and database. Basically, you have to give here all the information related to your project and then ask for a prompt. And then it will give you a professional prompt. So just go to the prompt, and if you want to change anything, then it will generate the prompt by mentioning here all the things. So I am okay with this prompt. So I'm going to copy code, then go back to the VS Code. In the right side, you will find text box or chat area. So paste it, okay? It's the prompt here, and then hit enter or click on this button, arrow sign, send button. Now it will actually generate the whole project for us. Basically, what you have to do, you have to actually focus on something restrict here. It will to-do list. Okay. It will add to list. I can see created 14 to list. So it will show all the to-do list. I mean, if I click here, I could see to do. These are the to-do. At first, it will create folder structure, then database schema, okay, .sql file, so that you don't need to create all the table individually, and then create a database connection file also, so that you can connect to the database, and then all the file. There you can see created all the folder. In the left side, you will find all the folder. Tab, database, public, storage, all of these. Okay. The first to do is done. Here you can see. Now it will go for the second one and then rest of them. Okay. Then it will complete the whole project and you'll find everything here. And then you find here any error, let's say, you just have to mention here. Okay. Then it will solve this. And the right side, you will find some pop-up icon. Here you can see keep, then undo. So just follow all the instruction and you just have to actually keep them. And if you want to change anything, you can actually mention here. So just follow some instruction. We will actually add here or show it. Just keep all of them. Okay, that's it. And then you can actually create whole project for you. You can see create.sql file. So you don't need to create any table here, and it will actually add all the dummy values. And here we have validator.php, then we have fashion. Okay, now we are getting here all the file here, you can see. So you don't need to do any coding here, just follow the instruction in the right side. That's it, okay. And then it will actually generate a fully professional website. So I will fast forward the video. When the project will be done, I will come back. Welcome back. So here you can see it complete all the two dots. Here you can see now we just have to keep. Okay, fine. Now done. Now what I have to do is we have to actually perfect. We got here all the file here you can see, and then here we have this setup.md, and here we have all the instruction that how you can actually pick up this project. So what you have to do, you have to open XAMPP control panel and then start Apache and MySQL both server. So we'll go for the control panel. If you type here XAMPP, when you find XAMPP control panel, so start both of them. Okay. And after that, we have to start MySQL server. There we go. Now, wait, okay, fine. Now we have to actually go for the localhost / PHP MyAdmin. So let's go for the localhost / PHP MyAdmin. Localhost / PHP MyAdmin to directly go to the PHP MyAdmin control panel vacancy. From here, we are going to create a new database. So click on new, and here we have to add the database name. So let's go for the VS Code once again, and here you can see that create a new database, and the database name should be project management _db, right? Copy this, go there, click here, and create the database. There we go. We have successfully created the database. Now here we are going to import the .sql file. So we have two different ways to do this. One is we can click here import, and then we can sync a file. Then we can add the file. On the other hand, we can click in the SQL, and we can actually paste this query. I mean .sql. Let's go for the .sql file, and there is inside database. So you can see, and we have .sql file. We are going to copy this. Okay, copy this, and we are going to paste here. Okay, and after that, we just have to remove this two line because we have already created the database. We don't need to actually leave. Now here the here you find the option called go. So click here go, and then it will be added. You can see if I click here once again in the project management _db, there it is. Here you will find all the tables. So you can see with the dummy value offer. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now, okay, so here you can see it complete whole project for us. All right. Okay, fine. Now we can close all the projects from here, close all, and in the left side we have everything. Okay, so let me show you one another way to actually import .sql file, and that is here you find import option. You can click here import, and then choose the file, and then go for the targeted folder where you have this file .sql file. In this case, stdocs, and then the project, and there is also management, and here in this folder database, we just have to add this. Okay, then add it. Here you can see we have added it. Now scroll a little bit down, there you will find option called import project. You can import, then it will be added. but you already added this, so you're not going to be different. There we go. Now to access the project, we have to actually follow all the instruction, and you can see here GitHub.mb. So here you can see we have created the database, right? Now we can access the application. So this is the URL you have to actually go. Let me show you how you can actually write down the URL. So if you type here localhost then slash, then hit enter, then here you will find all the folder or project inside SPDoc. So this is the targeted project management. Here we go. Okay. So it will actually took you directly to the login page. Maybe we have to log in at first. Now let's say I want to access some other file. So let's just go for the dashboard. So dashboard.php. So here you can see this is the dashboard, and we have all the project offer. Then we have all the tasks. So you can see. Then we have user section offer. We can create new user. Let's set it Yamin. Then Yamin MD. Then email at yamin@gmail.com. Then password 123, let's say. Then role is just the admin. And create user, password must be 6 characters. So we're going to say here, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Create user created successfully, and here you can see test them. So it's working out now perfectly. So that's it, guys. This is how actually you can create project through GitHub Copilot. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.